let's check out Suite 7019. This one here is a veranda stateroom, category B4. It's located on deck 7, and in this cabin you can accommodate up to 2 guests. This one here has a balcony, obviously. We took a look at the bathroom first, and you can see that interesting tile pattern on the floor. It's a well laid out bathroom, quite spacious. We've got a backlit mirror there, very large shower recess. Taking a look at the storage solution in the cabin itself, we've got the cupboard here. You can see plenty of hanging space. Looking around the cabin, we've got a very comfortable looking bed, good size. Now I'm told that Oceania Cruises call this bed a tranquility bed, and the linens are 1,000 count. Looking about the room, you can see the TV in front of the bed. We've got a little seating area and a nook in front of the mirror there, as well as a coffee table. Stepping out onto the balcony, you can see that it is a cute little balcony. Very comfortable looking chairs. Lots of padding there on that wicker looking chair, or whatever type of chair that is. If you know what type of chair that is, drop it in the comments. I'm not too sure what to call it. And stepping back, notice the accented lightings, the downlights. This is quite a nice, comfortable, luxurious feeling cabin. And pulling back here, you can see some of the drinks here as well. Lovely little touches, reusable bottle there.